Do you want to make some extra money online by starting a YouTube channel? There is a great way to do it, but choosing the right topic for your channel can be difficult, especially if you are thinking of automating things. In this video, I will help you to avoid common mistakes when choosing a niche for your automated YouTube channel. The method you should use is to collect different clips and upload them on YouTube. In fact, this method is the method of compilation videos. You might be thinking, what's wrong? There are a few issues that collectively often lack originality and may not meet YouTubers' fair use standards, which can lead to copyright issues and limited monetization. It's better to focus on creating original content instead. Fortunately, there are ways to responsibly create copyright-free compilation videos. Lots of people on the internet use this method, often receiving submissions from aspiring content creators. Additionally, you can create compilations using your own videos. For example, I have several I've produced videos on various aspects of YouTube monetization by combining them into an comprehensive tutorial that offers unique value. While I avoid copyright issues because I own the content. The second place to avoid on YouTube, especially for faceless channel, is the meditation or relaxing video. You may be surprised, but the reason is that most creators approach meditation video in the wrong way. Many people simply download music from YouTube's audio library. It's mixed with royalty-free images from platforms like Pixabay and labeled as meditation or relaxing content, but this approach lacks the authenticity that YouTube advocates, and as a result, many of these channels struggle to make money, or they face in case of no income generation. Are you considering creating meditation or relaxing videos? Make sure you get it right. There are those who have achieved positions with millions of views and significant income. It's very important that you follow the right approach. A third place is motivational content that gets a significant amount of views. But this video often runs into the same sphere use issues we discussed earlier, simply reusing clips on other people's motivational speeches without modifying elements like commentary, original, or images may meet fair use students. To generate effective motivational content with potential long-term income, it is essential to add your own unique perspective rather than relying on broad content, and create your message in your own language.